Brewery is here. And there's the zoo beside it, not far away.
Oh,
See Guinness's Brewery, and this is the
long tower.
What do you call it?
Okay.
In Phoenix Park.
Then
I can't think of the name of it.
where?
And that's the zoo.
That's the zoo. Where are we now? We are
Well,
down there.
I can't really remember all my geography. This is Wexford in the lighthouse.
Oh yeah. I see that one.
Yeah, and this is me in the mornings when I wake up.
That is just lovely.
There,
Wow.
I call them cavemen, but they tell me no, they're not cavemen. They're the Vikings, because that's the Viking ship, and there's the Vikings. And I have to tell you, I forget half my geography, but I go along.
How many years
This
does
is
this
here
piece?
in Carnew.
This
That's like that underneath is like airboard or
Oh yeah, board.
yeah.
Okay.
Is that all joined together now?
No, it's all done separately.
Oh, separate and joint.
How are we ever going to move it?
I don't know. It was meant to be gone by, I think, before August. It
Wow.
was meant to be gone, but it didn't. Am I in your right?
Oh,
Anyway, I'll tell you what I know.
Coke.
The Hook Lighthouse is in Wexford. Here, this one. The
Where's
Hook
Waterford?
Lighthouse. It's down in Wexford.
Then where is Waterford then? It's
Oh,
down-
Waterford must be off down in the ocean somewhere.
It must be here.
I don't really, I forget half my geography. That's Turk Waterfall, don't ask me where that is. I don't know. As I say, I don't really know my geography.
Yeah.
A hill is a hill and a river is a river. I never liked it, I never got into it, I never really liked it.
Mm.
That's Blarney Castle or whatever. We go this way around that thing because there's a burn. Have you ever heard of the burn?
No,
No.
Where is the burn? The burn is up around Clare or
Burns
somewhere.
in Clare.
Claire.
Up around
Uh-huh.
there. And then with the stones, because I think that's all that's up around there is stones.
Oh yeah.
And
I
this
can see
is
the stones
this
there.
is Glendalough.
Oh, St. Kevin's bed.
That's the bed in St. Kevin's bed in Glendalough. Have you heard of that?
I never heard it.
I'm not sure where that cross is. Could be up there somewhere. And then over where that, see where that little bridge is? That's
I can see that.
that's Kildare, Curra, up
Kildare.
around there inside.
yeah.
And
So-
that's the zoo.
What about the flowers?
And this is the Dublin Guinness's Brewery and the Phoenix Park thing in Phoenix Park. These are the sheep on the hill somewhere. This is the Titanic up the north.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah,
No,
you
no.
have that.
Oh, now we are at Donegal
Now we're
somewhere.
going into Ulster because see that little house and see the dog cocking his leg there
Yeah,
beside.
yeah. I can see that one.
That's Ulster. And where's that now? I've no glasses on me to read them. That's something's cottage. I've no glasses on me to see where. And this is the
Oh, okay.
hello Joe. This is the joint. This is Joint Causeway here.
Mm-hmm.
Here. This is all the joints. Where's the Joint Causeway? Lorna?
That's nice.
Yeah, just for today.
I'm not sure what county the Joint Causeway is. As I say,
Today? Yeah.
Mm.
No, we
explain now because they tell me they can't. That's the autumn fair, but they have the 4 seasons of the year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter.
Yeah.
Now, my favourite one of the mice is the winter one because they have knitted, it's all knitted, and the roofs of the houses are all white, the ground is white, and they have like a Christmas tree all decorated with the lights going along for winter and everything. But so they can't put a winter one out yet. I said, you just put it somewhere hide it. And they're the windmills, I'm not sure where those windmills are.
This is very lovely. Oh.
Over here, up where that lady is in the arch, that's somewhere, that's the Curra race course, I think.
Yeah.
I think that's the Curra. And then, what do you call it, where the boat and the man and woman, that's the Shannon, where that man and woman are on the boat.
yeah.
Shannon.
Yeah. Do you remember Margaret Dowse?
Yeah.
Margaret and Joe Dowse on the boat because they always had a boat on the Shannon.
Mm-hmm.
And that's at Lone down there somewhere. And the Crano,
Who
I'm
done
not.
all the planning on this?
Thanks a lot.
Who done all the planning on it?
Oh, all the girls together, they all just come up with different ideas and different suggestions, and they kind of.
And
I think they done the outline of the map first, and then they decided to fit in kind of all the touristy places or important places
they are very
on the
good.
map, like the Guinness
Wow.
Brewery and
And
the zoo.
taken do it?
Throughout the COVID, you see, they couldn't meet
4
up.
years,
They
yeah.
couldn't meet up with the COVID, and then they got back again. And
Because you have to go around and check what is there.
then,
Then
yeah,
That's
that-
fungi
that's
there.
that's Kerry is where fungi was.
Yeah.
I mean, Kerry or wherever the fungi was. I like the sheep. I like the sheep, and that's the vegetable garden.
no, this person knows what she was doing.
Yeah, how are you today, Joe?
How are you?